She was a queen who had everything: gold, power, a kingdom so rich it made other rulers look poor. But something kept her up at night. Stories were spreading across the ancient world about a king in Jerusalem, a man named Solomon whose wisdom was unlike anything the world had ever seen, a man who could answer questions no one else could even understand. The Queen of Sheba had heard many legends. She had ignored most of them, but this one she could not shake. So she loaded up a caravan: spices, gold, precious stones, gifts fit for a king. And she set off on a journey of over 2,000 miles through desert and mountain and heat, not to conquer, not to trade, to test him. When she finally stood before Solomon and asked him everything on her heart, he answered every single question. Not one stumped him, and she was breathless, because she had crossed a continent chasing wisdom and found something her gold could never buy. Proof that the greatest treasure is always understanding.